Hello IG Garage family, is your car showing the P0021 trouble code? This code can cause rough idling, poor acceleration, and even engine damage if ignored. In today's video, we'll cover what P0021 means, the exact location of the camshaft position sensors, which is very important, how to diagnose and fix this issue. And at the end I'll suggest two more important videos, P0237, which is turbo boost sensor circuit low, and P0203, injector circuit malfunction, cylinder 3. So stick around till the end. What does P0021 mean? The P0021 code stands for camshaft position, timing over advanced or system performance, bank 2. This means the variable valve timing (VVT) system is advancing the camshaft timing too much on bank 2. The engine control module, ECM, detects that the intake camshaft is not returning to the expected position. Symptoms of P0021 include the check engine light being on, rough idling and poor fuel economy, loss of power and hesitation during acceleration, engine knocking or rattling noises, and difficulty starting the engine. Common causes of P0021 are low or dirty engine oil, which affects VVT operation, a faulty camshaft position sensor, CMP, a failed VVT solenoid or oil control valve, OCV, stuck or clogged oil passages in the VVT system, and timing chain or belt issues. Where are the sensors located for P0021? The camshaft position sensor, CMP for bank 2, is typically located near the top of the engine, close to the timing cover or valve cover. In V6 or V8 engines, bank 2 is usually on the passenger side. The variable valve timing, VVT, solenoid or oil control valve, OCV, is mounted near the camshaft. It controls oil flow to the VVT system, allowing the camshaft to adjust timing properly. The crankshaft position sensor is usually located near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel, often on the engine block or bell housing. If you're unsure, check your vehicle's service manual for exact sensor locations. First, check the engine oil. Dirty or low oil can cause VVT issues, so change the oil and filter if needed. Next, inspect the camshaft position sensor, also known as the CMP. Use an obd2 scanner to check sensor data, and if it's faulty, replace the sensor. Then, test the VVT solenoid or oil control valve. If it's clogged, clean or replace it. After that, inspect the timing chain or belt. If the timing is off, it may need adjustment or even replacement. Finally, clear the code and take the car for a test drive to ensure the issue is fixed. So that's everything you need to know about P0021 camshaft timing over advanced, bank 2. If your car has this code, start by checking your oil, camshaft position sensor, and VVT solenoid. In serious cases, timing chain or belt issues may require repair. Now for more fixes, check out these videos. P0237, turbo boost sensor circuit low, and P0203, injector circuit malfunction in cylinder 3. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.